Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about the problem of the Fall Guys game not opening through the Epic Games program. This issue may occur due to many problems, restricting our access to the game. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. So let's get started. Disable any antivirus program you use or delete it completely from your computer. If you are using Windows Defender, let's disable it. In the Start search screen, type Virus and Threat Protection and open it. Then click on Manage Settings and let's scroll down. On the next screen, click on Ransomware Protection and turn off Controlled Folder Access. After this, come back and set Real-Time Protection to off. After that, scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions under Exclusions. Select Add an exclusion and then select the Fall Guys Ultimate Knockout game folder saved on your disk. After this process, run the Epic Games Launcher program as an administrator and check if the game opens. We will verify the game file integrity and ensure to scan and download any missing or faulty files. Open the Epic Games program. Open the library menu and click on the three dots under the Fall Guys game. Click Verify from the listed options. After this process, the download will be performed by scanning the damaged game files. After the process is finished, try to open the game again. We can fix this problem by installing easy anti-cheat software in Fall Guys. First, access the Fall Guys game folder. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder in the game folder. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat Setup file on the screen that opens by double-clicking it. If the Easy Anti-Cheat program is not installed, select the Fall Guys game and click the Install Easy Anti-Cheat button below. If the Easy Anti-Cheat program is installed, select the current Game 591 option and click the Repair Service button below. After this process, you can run the game and check if the problem persists. If it did not work after this process, delete Easy Anti-Cheat and reinstall it. First of all, reach the location I showed in the video and run the Easy Anti-Cheat program. Uninstall by selecting the Game 591 option in the option on the screen that opens, and pressing the uninstall option in the lower left. Then, let's access the Fall Guys game file, open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and run the Easy Anti-Cheat Setup program. Then select the Game 591 option again, click the Install Easy Anti-Cheat button below and perform the installation process. After the installation process is completed, you can check if the problem still persists by running the Fall Guys game. By using the troubleshooter software developed by Epic Games, we can solve various errors that we encounter on the program. By running the Epic Games program as an administrator, we open the Settings menu by clicking the profile in the upper right corner. We start the scanning process by clicking on the Troubleshooting option in the menu that opens. After this process, Epic Games will scan the missing or faulty files and perform the repair process. After the process is completed successfully, close the Epic Games program and run it as an administrator. After this process, let's run the game and check if the problem persists. The problem with the Epic Games Launcher cache can cause us to encounter any errors. For this, we can fix the problem by clearing the cache. For this, let's open the Start Search screen by typing run. Then, let's reach by typing the file directory in the article. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder in the Opened folder. Open the saved folder on the screen we encountered. After this process, we delete the folder named Webcake. These folders can be multiple. If you have more than one Webcake folder, delete them all. Then we restart our computer and run the Epic Games program as an administrator. If your problem persists, go to the launcher file location of the Epic Games Launcher program and right-click on the Epic Games Launcher program and open the Properties menu. Then click on the Compatibility option, perform the settings I applied in the video, click the Apply button and save. After this process, let's access the Fall Guys game file directory. Let's open the Properties menu by right-clicking on the Fall Guys EEC launcher in the folder. Then click on the Compatibility option, perform the operations I have shown in the video, press the Apply button and save. After this process, open the game by running the Epic Games program and check if the problem persists. Any problem in the Epic Games Launcher program may cause you to not be able to open the games. For this, we can eliminate the problem by completely deleting or repairing the Epic Games Launcher program. If you say that too many games are installed in the Epic Games Launcher program, you can repair the program. Because after deleting the Epic Games program, all the games you have installed will be deleted. For this, first, let's download the Epic Games installation wizard and repair the program. If you want it to be guaranteed, you can completely delete the Epic Games program with the help of the Task Manager. We will now try to fix the problem by repairing the Epic Games program. Let's run the installer we downloaded and start the process by pressing the Setup button. After this process, all files will be scanned and uploaded from top to bottom. After the process is completed successfully, the Epic Games program will open. After the Epic Games program is open, you can run the Fall Guys game and check if the problem persists. I hope the suggestions in the video led to the solution of the problem. You can subscribe to support the channel by liking the video. Thank you for your support.